Let me show you a side hustle where AI builds the product, customers download it instantly, and you never ship anything. Today, we're creating an Etsy store selling digital printables, planners, trackers, worksheets, all made with AI in minutes. By the end of this video, you'll know which printable niches actually sell, how to make high-quality designs with AI, and how to launch your Etsy listings the right way so you can get your first sale fast. Digital printables work because they cost nothing to produce, they deliver instantly, and they can sell over and over again. This is one of the easiest AI side hustles to start, and it scales beautifully. Let's begin with step 1, choosing a niche that actually sells. Not every printable sells well, but the ones that solve daily problems do. This is where you'll find guaranteed traction. Search Etsy for budget printable, habit tracker, or meal planner. Look for bestseller tags, simple designs, and products that solve an everyday frustration. Once you find a niche you like, open ChatGPT and say, "Give me 10 printable product ideas in the niche that solve a real problem." You'll instantly get perfect ideas for beginners. Now let's move into creating your printables using AI. This is where the process gets fun. Your tool stack is simple. ChatGPT for the text and layout, Canva for the design, and optionally Midjourney for unique artwork or icons. Start by asking ChatGPT, create a one-page printable layout for a planner, tracker, or worksheet. Include headings, sections, labels, and examples. It will generate a clean outline. Copy that structure, paste it into Canva, and choose a minimalist layout. Use a 4 or 8.5 by 11 page. Keep spacing wide. Stick to 1 or 2 colors, and use clean fonts like Montserrat. Export your design as a standard PDF, and that's your first printable ready to sell. Now let's build your Etsy listing to ensure visibility and attract customers. Your title should follow this structure: product, printable, audience, theme, instant download. This optimizes it for searchability. For your description, simply ask ChatGPT, write a friendly Etsy description for a printable product, explaining what's inside, sizing, printing instructions, and usage ideas. Next, create strong mockups in Canva. Search for printable mockup. Drop your page into a tablet or clipboard frame and choose 3 to 5 images that match your style. Pricing is simple. Singles at $2.99 to $4.99. Bundles at $6.99 to $9.99. Bundles increase revenue per customer. Now let's look at how to grow and automate your shop. AI makes it easy to scale fast. Create variations with different colors, themes, or layouts. Create matching sets so customers buy more than one item at a time. Use Canva Magic Media for Pinterest pins and ChatGPT for captions. Let ChatGPT create your FAQs, printing instructions, and troubleshooting replies for automated customer support. Most people start small, earning $100 to $300 a month. With 40 to 50 products and consistent traffic, earning $1,000 or more a month is absolutely possible. Remember, once the products are created, they can sell forever.